Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix activity status not showing on Instagram easy guide. For us to be able to begin, open Instagram onto your device and make sure that you're logged in onto the right account. So to see that, click onto your profile icon here onto the bottom part to proceed. Then right after, to check for your activity status, just go ahead and click onto the three horizontal lines onto the upper part of the screen. So you'll just need to scroll in here until you find in how others can interact with you. You should be able to see in here an option to click on messages and story replies. From there, you should be able to see the show activity status under who can see you're online. So click onto that and just check in here if you have the show activity status toggled on. So if you turn that one off, your activity status will not be shown to your friends or your followers. So make sure that one is turned on. And once that one is turned on and activity status is still not yet showing, you could do or try out the basic troubleshooting steps onto your device. So just check if you have the latest version of the app, because sometimes if you don't have the latest version of it, there might be some errors for that, or you could simply uninstall the app and install back again and then log in onto your account and try to check if the activity status is already showing. And those are just the steps on how you fix activity status not showing on Instagram easy guide. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.